Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab M10 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, and here let's tap on About Tablet. Now let's scroll until you'll see a build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then simply enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see here, we are a developer. Now let's get back to previous settings, and here we've got developer options, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced options which we can customize. For example, we can show surface updates or show visual feedback for tabs. In order to turn on the feature, then simply tap on the switcher right next to it. And from now on, it is activated. To turn it off, just tap on it again. If you can see the option without the switcher, then simply tap on it to open much more settings. If you are ready and if you are done with customization, then simply click on this switcher to turn off the developer options. And as you can see, they simply disappears. If you want to customize them again, then simply get back to the build number step. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your LENOVO Tab M10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.